How to remove Google search bar from Android device. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So as you can see on the home page of my screen, this Google search bar is available. Now in order to remove this from the Android device, what you have to do is very simple step. Just tap on this search bar and then tap on, just drag it to upwards and it will be removed. So that's how easy it was. Now in order to add it back again, all you have to do is keep on tapping on the home screen, then tap on widgets, and you can just scroll down and you can see the option of Google over here. Now you can just add any which one that you like, and there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.